What's up, guys? Welcome back to, what is this, part 3?
Part 3, yeah.
Working on our LB7, and today we will be pulling the transmission out. Pretty sure in this video, the goal is going to be just to pull the transmission out and possibly get into it and start pulling stuff out of it. Don't know if we will actually get into rebuilding it in this video. That might be part 2. But anyway, we're gonna get in here, roll it back, and y'all just seen me absolutely black out the entire garage. We're gonna let that smoke roll out of the garage real quick and then back the truck up and jack it up and start getting this transmission out. We've got the back end up on jacks and this front end to start pulling this transmission out. Hunter says he's not a fan of it.
I mean, my jacks are 3 tons each, but they're Harbor Freight brand. Like, they're not really the best, but my dad's got some like heavy duty ones that I prefer to use, but can't win them all.
Nope. But it is up on jacks. We've got 2 jack stands up under there, and then also got this jack kind of holding it. And then up front, we've got my jack from home, and then he's getting the second jack stand and putting it up under there.
Hey, let me show them this. You ready?
I've never seen a jack like this.
You ready?
Or a jack stand. You lift it up, and it moves up.
By itself.
I might be crazy, but never have I ever seen a jack stand do that before. We didn't know it done it until we got them. And we got them out of the box, and all of a sudden they just went up. I'm like, never seen that, but they were pretty handy. So, anywho, we finally got it jacked up, and we're gonna try to start getting this transmission out.
Alright, so we've started. I'll just show you, we got the truck jacked up. It's starting to remove the drive shaft. I have done the transmission on that car, and it's so much easier than I think this is going to be. But he's starting on the drive shaft at the back. I am starting up here.
I need a ratchet.
Ratchet?
Yeah.
And not going loose. There you go. It's stuck on there, it's like rusted. Oh, it's spinning the... Oh! I just...
What did we learn, Palmer?
Somebody strip this freaking bolt out. Ah! Cause I'm gonna say heck with that bolt for a minute before I get mad at it. Oh, I got it. Get under there and hold it.
I got it. And it will fall out when it...
Okay.
Oh, we got it. Alright, go down. Don't let it touch the mat. Alright. Oh, you like that.
Next, after we get this TV mounted up, because YouTube is going to be a big help to taking this transmission out. But we're going to start unhooking everything, get the transfer case out, and then start unhooking everything from the transmission and get that out. This is definitely going to be a job, but we're here for it, and I believe we can do it. But anyway, let's get all of this stuff unhooked and get the transfer case out.
Yeah, let me say something real quick. They make safety glasses, but they don't make nothing for your mouth. So you just you lay under here and swallow half the rust and dirt. You ain't got nothing to spit in.
What did he say?
I'm just now realizing this fuel system. What the actual heck?
What?
Like, there's a bunch of stuff zip tied.
That's what you get when you have aftermarket wiring and people don't know what they're doing. I'm just unplugging stuff right now. There's definitely things like, I see like that orange brace. Remember how there was stuff that was orange on this truck? That orange brace. It's orange. They powder coated it. I'm like, there's definitely things like this that you could powder coat, but like, it's under here. But like, I'd love to clean all this up and get it looking real nice under here, because it's not bad. Like no. All this is not, it's just dirt.
Yeah.
The frame's solid.
if y'all kind of want to see what it looks like, it's fairly clean under here, which y'all can see more now because the drive shaft's out, but it's pretty sturdy. It's just dirty. But
solid.
It's solid. We just kind of need to go through and probably wash it, but it is pretty solid. We're fairly happy.
What up, chicken?
And he's running.
And these plugs need to be all cleaned up. Like, right now my predicament is I got the wrong tools for the job. I need a 15mm wrench. And I got ratchets and sockets, and I'm like, they work, but
Struggling.
I just need a wrench. As of right now, the only thing that we got is unplug everything off this transfer case. And then once the transfer case is fully unplugged, then should be able to just drop it. But to do that, we'll have to unbolt it from this here, which means we got to hold the transmission up and then somehow hold it. I don't think it's that heavy because I watched some guys on YouTube and they picked it up by themselves. So we'll definitely figure something out there. But maybe when we get into this and dig into it, we'll figure out why the four-wheel drive buttons don't work.
Alright, a couple hours later, pretty much, long story short, finally got the transfer case out. It took a while to unbolt it, get everything out, but we also...
go get a whole new set of tools and everything.
Yeah, because he doesn't have any wrenches here, hardly any.
Well, I got ratchet and socket and stuff, I just don't have actual wrenches, so that made a game change.
So we had to run to town and get that. So we finally got all that, got this down and out. So that is going to be just slid over there. The parts for the transmission were supposed to be in today, but we haven't been out to the front porch. I don't think they're here yet.
I don't think they're here.
But they will be coming in, I'm assuming sometime this week. So don't know what day y'all be seeing this video, because currently, right now, I am editing the video that's probably going to come out in about a day, or might even be uploaded tonight or in the morning. So
hopefully tonight.
Hopefully tonight. So if y'all haven't watched that video, after you get done watching this one, or take a pause on this one until you see what we had in the last video. Okay, so this is what the app's saying. It's still saying out for delivery today.
So I don't know, let me go look at my Gmail. Alright, so it's a new day. I just got off work. A little tired, but it's alright. Nick's headed over here now. But just got in the garage, and yeah, this is unacceptable, really. Can't work around all this stuff. I mean, just stuff everywhere. So I think before Nick gets here, what I'm gonna do is probably start cleaning up some stuff. So I got the parts that come in, and I need somewhere to start opening them up. So cannot have this. And then I need to get my bolts situated and probably use those. So I'm gonna start kind of organizing, cleaning up in here. I'm not gonna do much filming of that, that's kind of boring, but I'll show you the completed product, or when Nick gets here, he'll pick up the camera. Definitely a lot better looking. I didn't work on none of this stuff because we're still working on pulling the trans, so once I get the trans out, then we'll probably clean all that stuff up. But I don't know if we filmed, but we got the transfer case out, and notice that a lot of stuff is powdered orange. So we've noticed the engine. I don't know that you'll be able to see it there, but I'll show you later. But the engine's orange and the transmission's orange. So I don't know if it's powder or paint, but that bracket is definitely powder. The transfer case is not orange, which doesn't need to be, I'm just saying. But we're going to get all that stuff cleaned up, and then pull the trans and clean up and start getting the parts removed and think about how we need to work on the trans.
Alright, sad news, but I filmed the entire rest of this video in slow motion. That's completely my fault. Promise I'll never try to do it. But as you just seen, Hunter let down the truck, and we kind of completely forgot that we just took the transmission out, and it rolled back and hit the toolbox. But everything is all good. Here's us laughing it off, kind of in disbelief of what just happened. Here's the start of the process of us completely unbolting and unplugging everything. This was a very long process. It took us quite a while to figure all this out. It was a very, very tedious process. We eventually got everything unplugged, unbolted, and out of the way for us to finally drop this transmission down. We used 2 jacks, one in the front, one in the back, and slowly started letting each one down until the transmission fully got dropped. This is whenever we pulled the transmission out from under the truck, and of course me filming the TikTok. Be sure to go follow that. But finally got the transmission dropped. Here I am explaining everything on how the truck was jacked up, and we finally got the transmission. Here we are wrapping up for the night, showing you what Hunter looks like after pulling the transmission out of the truck. But we're going to wrap this video up here tonight. We hope y'all have enjoyed all the videos so far. We've enjoyed getting this thing together. We have kind of took a break here recently, and we're actually just starting to break into the transmission today as we speak. Hunter's over here beside me. But in this clip, we're just blabbing on. Promise, next video, I will not have any clips in slow-mo, and y'all won't have to hear me do these stupid voiceovers. But we appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next coming videos that's going to be out on this thing. We love you all. We'll see you guys in the next one.